What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to tap into these springtime vibes because I just cannot wait for springtime. I am on live as I'm doing this video. So, without further ado, let's just get into it. I'm about to cut my crease. And that's what I'm going to cut my crease. Now, y'all know I'm not a pro cutting a crease. I just do how it works for me. And I'm actually going to bring the colors down on my waterline as well. I'm just going to clean it up. I'm going to put a white color over this as well so the colors can pop better. I'm just going to take this and kind of smoothen everything out. If you want everything to be smooth. I'm tapping into some really cute colors today. I can't wait to see how it comes out. So, yeah. I'm sorry, y'all can't see me. Everybody asks me how I'm learning, because I'm still learning to do my cut crease. I just follow my eyeball. That's basically how I learn to cut my crease. I'm gonna take that same brush and smooth everything out because you want to have a smooth base. Alright guys, so let's get into these colors. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX palette, and then I have a few other palettes that I'm gonna go into as well. I'm gonna take the purple color and put it on my outer V. Now I was a little scared that when I thinking I should use like a flat brush to add these colors. I was a little scared when I brought the palette because I didn't know if it was going to be, you know, great quality. This color I'm going to go into from out of the NYX palette. I'm going to go into this blue color. I mean, they seem to be very pigmented, so I'm just not complaining. Now, when you're doing a look like this, especially a cut crease, you have to bleed those colors into each other. Bleed, blend, you know, whatever. Again, I'm going back into the NYX palette, and I'm gonna take this teal color. It look a little chalky, y'all. I don't know. All right, but I do have other teals here if I need to use it. So let's see what it's feeding. Oh, that's pretty. Y'all be so hype over stuff. And I'm gonna just bring it into that blue. Okay, NYX, doing it with the color palette. Just wipe off the excess and kind of bring it in, like bleed them into each other. I wasn't so worried about the teal to purple side. I'm more worried about the yellow to red side because, sorry YouTube. So I'm taking the color, the red color, and putting that on my outer V. And yeah. Somebody asked me what my favorite part of makeup is. It's highlighter, because I love me a poppin' highlight. I'm opening all of the wrong drawers right now. Sorry guys, I'm not talking. I'm just trying to blend all of this out. Okay. Take my blending brush. I'm not so much worried about the main color that I'm normally worried about is like yellow, but I think I have a pop in yellow here that possibly, hopefully, could work. So I'm not too much worried about the now see, this is like a peach color, but maybe I could, I don't know, and then top it with a darker orange color. And I'm just going to apply it because now it has something to stick to. And I'm just going to take this and blend out those edges. I'm gonna clean this brush first. That's what I'm going to do. I haven't done a color look. I'm lying. I haven't done a look like this in a while, but I have done some color looks for my YouTube channel. YouTube, y'all getting a lot of love this week because I've been recording nonstop. Y'all got a video coming tomorrow and Saturday. Hey, boo. Yeah, I might have to, when I go back, build up that orange a little bit, just so it can show. But now we're about to get into the yellow. So I'm gonna lay down this mustard yellow first. And then, wow, yellow has never came up on my skin like that. And I think it has everything to do with the, like the white shadow, the white pencil I used in the beginning. I think it has everything to do with that because I feel as though if I didn't use that. Hi, Sharonda. Thanks for watching. But I feel as though if I didn't use that jumbo white eye pencil in the beginning, it would never have, you know, showed up. Now I'm gonna take another yellow, which is in that same NYX palette, and I'm just gonna add that on top. How's everybody doing? YouTube, I'll be back when I'm done my face. Alright, so I'm actually going to spray my face with the Pixie Skin Treat. So I'm going to take the Pixie Glow Mist and just spray my face. Like, I can't stop using it now. I don't know. It's so addicting because it's so good. Like, it's really good. This was the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I'm going to spray my brush with some rose water. And this just gives me like that extra glow, and with my foundation. Although I don't even know what foundation I'm using. So I want to try that foundation. So let me tell y'all a little story. Since we here do the super stay. But he was like really like real live trying to like talk. I didn't got it in my hair. He was real live trying to talk, and I'm like, sir, I haven't talked to you and I don't know how long. Concealer corrector. It's in the color dark cocoa, and I'm gonna highlight with it. But y'all, I think people just be talking just to hear themselves talk. Like but I swear, I get on social media, I like a couple things, I post a couple things, and then I be out. Because I feel like social media is just like, I'm not gonna say that because I actually like being on Facebook, but when the drama and people just be, you know, like bashing people for no reason, that's annoying. I hate that. Like, I've seen it be done on the page, like on this page recently. Some girl was like, oh, your eyebrows are too thick. Like, if that's how she like to do her eyebrows, let that girl be. Do your eyebrows the way you should. Still go live so I have somebody to watch. Recreate this look. But no, she was like, why are your eyebrows so dark? And I'm like, does it matter why her eyebrows are so dark? If that's how she want to do her eyebrows, let that girl be. And we just gonna bake our highlighted areas. People be having, thank you, people be having me so messed up. Like, I guess because I'm quiet, like I'm a quiet person. If I don't know you, I'm really quiet around you. And I guess because, you know, like, girl, don't get it too twisted. Cause yo nigga like my back flaps and all, honey. I can't. He like the back flaps and all, boo. Okay. Oof. Let's set our makeup with the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. It's enriched skin protection. It's the Daily Defense Makeup Mist. And together. And let's start with our nose first. Like, look at that. Oh my god. I like a nice forehead highlight. Like, I do. That is beautiful for $2. I still have to do my inner corner. Wow, I really like this highlighter. Might have to go back and get some more, huh? So I'm gonna take my face brush and just make sure everything is just blended beautifully to my skin. So I'm gonna use these two. These are the Vivid Matte and the Vivid Hot Liqueurs. So this is the lip gloss, and then this is the matte lipstick. So So I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did creating it for you. We're on the road to 250 subscribers, so make sure you like, comment, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so that you guys can be notified every time that I drop a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.